Hello traders. Yeah, welcome back to the Cryptoforex market channel. I'm going to continue with XRP because we've had some movements to the downside on XRP since the last video. However, as you could see here, my fibs literally that I've set up, XRP is literally hanging around the between the 60 and 71 fib. Now, this area is a sensitive area, and those of you that know who are traders, these are key areas where you could actually buy into the market. And these are the key areas, the 61 and the 71 fib. I was telling you that XRP would most likely, once it gets to around the area here, it will come down before going back up. So last time we saw XRP, if I go on the daily, which we are on right now, I'm going to show you what kind of pattern I'm looking at for potentially to go up to the upside at the moment. So, okay, let's have a look at this. Okay, that's the daily pattern here. Okay, right, let me just adjust this here. So this is what I'm looking at. Okay, let me delete all of this. This is the pattern that I'm looking at for the breakout, because many of you might be thinking, do you know this thing's selling off? Yes, it's sold off from here. However, we're going to get the same pattern like we got here before it breaks out to the upside again. I'll just move this to get my tool here. Right, this is the kind of pattern that is going to create again, no doubt. So we're near here. We're at around 37 cents. So if I draw another diagonal line right here from that part where it literally bounced off, and then we'll draw another diagonal line around this level here. Bring it a bit closer. Right, widen it a bit. So you could see when it was around this level here, it took a while for it to break out. It came here, it came back down to around 26, 25 cents. It consolidated here. Literally, this is where you know, banks or whatever like that want to stop people out, get them out of the market. This is a key interest area where liquidity is built. Yeah, this is a liquidity area, and once it's built, once they've got all people's money, everybody's money, especially retail traders, then the market will suddenly make a move like that, which it done. It done the same thing here when it was consolidating here. It was building up, and then all of a sudden it went up. Done it again here, and then now we're at this point again. Just like here, we're at this point again where we could see an up movement. I would say definitely it's going to go like this, a pattern like this. So it's going to go up most likely like this. It's going to come down just like the bottom key area, up again, down again, and then up. So I will definitely see it reaching $1, even higher to $1.50. So that's the move that I'm looking at right now. So this is a patient game. You guys that held, that's good, because literally it ain't over yet. Anybody that sold, yeah, and then you're going to see that literally it's still hanging above the 50 EMA on the daily. So it's not breaking that level beneath here. It's still around my fib level, 61, 71, 78. So those are the key levels. So we're going to see something like this in time. So those of you that are patient, it will pay off. Definitely going to pay off. And then once it reaches to that level, then obviously you're going to see another movement similar to this above. So I'll just copy that. Probably see something like that before it goes up to the next level. So this is something, yeah, I just want to create another video because you know, some people might be thinking what's going on right now. However, it's just building up, literally taking a lot of liquidity from people. So this is the moment of panic. This is the moment of fear. People will have a lot of fear, thinking that this market is literally just going to go back down. But this is just building liquidity. That's what it's called, liquidity. Let's see if we look on the weekly base. Yeah, on the weekly, yeah. So we still have a bullish move on the weekly, as you could see here. So this is weekly candle, and this is a weekly candle. So each time when I go on this chart up here, these are the hours. So each candle represents a minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 9 a day. So currently I'm on the I'm on the week at the moment. So if I go down to the daily, then you could see each candle represents a day. So on a day, that's what you're going to get. On a 4 hour, each candle represents 4 hours. So literally from here, we could be sitting in this for a little bit. You know, it might move very slow, and there might be a lot of impatient people right now and thinking, you know what, I'm just gonna sell off and take my profits. But I'm in for the long haul of this, and those of you that are patient literally will make your profits. So yeah, that's the move. So just delete this. This is what I'm looking at right now. This is what I'm looking at. You can see it exactly here, done the same thing. So that, you know, probably took days to happen. A lot of days before it actually came out. Look how many days. So each candle, just look at this. Look how many days it took before we got the explosion up. So if we go into weeks now, so it does take time, but being patient actually pays. See, it took weeks before that actually went up. So this could take a few weeks before it actually breaks up to the upside. Who knows? But most likely, yeah, we'll within a few weeks we're gonna see movements to the upside at some point. Still above the 50 MA on the week. Daily, still above the 50 MA. Go down to 4 hours, which is a good hourly chart to go on. To if you want to get in your buys, always go on a 4 hour, or the least is 1 hour, I would say. But 4 hours is good because you get less noise. And it's still above the 50 MA again on the 4 hour. You could see that what's happening here. So this is how market manipulators play. They play a lot of the retail traders out, inexperienced traders out of the market, push them straight at the market until once they build up liquidity, then they're off again. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed, you know, what you're seeing here, and it's of value to you, and the last video as well. So yeah, yeah, definitely if you haven't bought in, this is a good time to buy in at this level. We're at 37 cents. Any level between 20, which is around this level upwards, to 37. I can't see it going down here again, to be honest. This is the level where we could see it potentially staying just around this area here. But honestly, I can't see it going any higher up. Yeah, so if there's any questions, any comments, please leave some comments underneath the video, and I'll be happy to reply as soon as I can. But yeah, let's have a look at Bitcoin actually while we're on here before we end, and see what's going on with Bitcoin. Yeah, we've had a little rise in Bitcoin again. The cryptocurrencies are going pretty strong. So last video, if you can remember, we was looking at this candle and we saw a strong rejection to the upside. Now we're on another week, which is the next week. This was the previous week that I've done the video. It's gone bullish again. So you could see a lot of interest in the crypto market at the moment, and that's why a lot of people want to invest in it, because they see a lot of value in the crypto market. Before I said, if we get a move like this, a break, at least around this area here, potentially I'll be looking for that market to probably test that area and go up like that. If we don't, then I'll be looking for the market to come straight down like that, as you see the arrows that I've previously drawn. Yeah, like that, and then potentially go up from there, as you could see. But if I was selling Bitcoin, I'll literally sell it below this previous daily wick candle. So I'll make sure I get a full close. So I literally need to close, retest that as resistant support, and then come down from here and then buy up again. That's if I was trading Bitcoin. But yeah, at the moment, for me, I would not buy Bitcoin at the moment. I'll literally wait for a clear breakout before buying Bitcoin. If I was selling it, I'll wait for a clear breakout below the 50 EMA before selling it. Potentially around this area. If it does sell off, I'm looking for buyers around this area here. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at the moment. But yeah, just going back to XRP. Yeah, so it's just not doing nothing right now. But yeah, just wait, be patient, and it will definitely pay off. If you're in for the long haul, which I am in, then I'm looking for the market to literally go higher than what it is right here. Previously, it went to, on the 1st of Jan 2018, it went to around 30. Not 30, my mistake. Looking at the first pump, which is $1. Yeah, it went to $3. So potentially I'm going to see it go up to, once it goes past $3, potentially I could see it hitting these levels here quite easy. Once it's over $3, retest this level and then just go up. Sky's the limit. Because as you could see, Bitcoin, you can see where Bitcoin's at, 30,000. This hasn't even reached there yet. It's still low. So it wouldn't make sense, like if you're buying into XRP and then just selling it off. If you put a little bit in there, just leave it, hold it. You literally make a lot of money. You make a lot of money. Okay, I'll leave it as that. I just want to show you something, how I was seeing XRP at the moment during this week, today. Just be patient and join me on the next channel. Thank you for coming. Leave any comments.